Charli XCX, the trend-setting singer, has done it again. She's shown us that baggy jeans and a leather jacket can be the ultimate party ensemble. But how does one pull off this casual meets chic look? Denim jeans are a timeless staple, and Charli XCX is a master at styling them. From date nights to casual outings, jeans are a versatile go-to. And when it comes to making a statement, Charli is the reigning queen. On a Tuesday night in New York City, Charli stepped out in a unique outfit. She paired distressed, oversized jeans with a navy graphic tee, a sleek black leather jacket, and some eye-catching square-toe biker boots. Her accessories were on point: a black shoulder bag, statement shades, and her dazzling wedding ring. Charli's signature wavy brunette hair and a touch of rosy lip gloss completed the effortless yet stylish look. Charli's fashion choices are often a delightful surprise. She effortlessly transitions from her on-stage leather shorts and witty slogan tees to front-row Fashion Week appearances in whimsical pirate-inspired dresses and sheer slip dresses. Her style is a captivating blend of edgy and chic, and here's where it gets interesting. Charli attended an intimate dinner with none other than Sabrina Carpenter, whose style is a stark contrast. Sabrina embraced the butter yellow trend, rocking an oversized knit mini dress with slouchy socks and kitten heels. Her vibrant Chanel bag added a pop of color. As the party season approaches, finding the right outfits can be a challenge, but Charli's ensemble reminds us that jeans and a leather jacket are a versatile duo, perfect for any occasion. And this is the part most people miss. It's all about the styling. With the right accessories and confidence, you can rock this look from day to night. So, are you Team Charli or Team Sabrina? Do you prefer edgy leather and baggy jeans or cozy knits and vibrant hues? Let us know in the comments below. It's time to embrace our unique styles and celebrate the versatility of fashion.